Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the website traffic checker Chrome extension. This extension let you create website traffic, visitor, statics and other useful SEO insights. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, you can search for website traffic checker, then press enter. You can see the second one is website traffic checker and click on add to Chrome and then add extension. Once the extension is installed, you can click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now open any website, then click on the extension icon. Here you can click on scan page. You can open the website and then click on scan page. It will show you that no domain to query. We can visit another website. Then click on the extension, then click on scan page. Here you will see cannot scan internal pages. You can enter the website link here like this, then click on analyze. Here you will see total visits 5.18, average duration, page per visit, bounce rate, domain creation, domain expiration, last change, domain age, traffic sources, traffic trend. Here you will see all the details you can view easily. Also you can see like top countries, top keywords which are you can see all the SEO related information easily. Like we will analyze another website. Click on analyze. Here you will see total visits 5.57 billion, average duration, page per visit. You can see all the details SEO related easily. You can compare the difference from your website and the competitor website and see how you can boost your website easily. That's how you use that website traffic checker Chrome extension. It's a simple tool for checking estimated website traffic without leaving your browser. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.